What's up, guys? So we're at racetrack. Oh snap! What's up, guys, and welcome to another vlog. I'm about to go to the barbershop, get my hair cut because your boy needs a little cut, and I'll see you in a second.
I'm gonna hook you up with my boy.
Matter
of fact, you got his hat on. Matter of fact, you got his hat on. His name is Guns for a reason. Alright, dog? He is prepared.
Gang. Alright, it's your boy PrinceMvson, and just got done with the cut. About to go home. Hungry. It's only like 10 o'clock in the morning. So, need to go home, get something to eat, and then I got a lot more in store for you guys today. Probably hang out with one of my boys and do something crazy. Catch y'all. So I'm currently at McDonald's because on the drive home, I realized I want some hash browns. So I know they're really bad, but I'm really craving hash browns, so that's what I'm about to get. So, all right, I'm ready. Hello? Hello?
Just 1 second, sir. We'll be right with you.
Okay, alright, thanks. Dang, bro. I gotta wait now. So, yeah, and I've actually been thinking about what we're gonna do today. Hold on. So, some of y'all might know, some of y'all might not.
Go ahead with your order.
Can I get 3 hash browns?
Okay.
And that's it.
3 hash browns. Any ketchup?
No, I'm fine.
320 first window.
Alright, thank you. Alright, I'll talk to y'all when I get home, because I'm thinking about stuff. I got an idea, so I'll let y'all know once I get home. Alright, I'm back home now, and man, it's actually starting to rain. So I was telling you guys earlier in the car, like I was saying, I'm thinking about what I'm going to do today. And what I think we're going to do is, my boy's coming over, my boy Philip. I'm sorry, I got to eat this freaking hash brown. But when my homeboy Philip is coming over, and what we're going to do is actually try to find some supplies and some water. I don't know if you know this, but there's a big hurricane coming this way. So currently it's a category 5 with like 225 mile per hour winds. And it's supposed to get here in the next 2-3 days. So we're gonna try to find supplies. And even since maybe about Tuesday or Monday, water has been going out crazy. Like, you can't get any, like the big cases of water, you can't get them. You only get like smart water bottles or vaults or certain like stuff like that. So I think I'm gonna want to show you what it's like to be here in Florida as we prepare for a hurricane, and what that's like, and all the freaking madness that comes with that. So we'll probably go around to Walmart, Target, maybe like Winn-Dixie, that's what we have here, and maybe a couple other places. Getting gas is so freaking crazy. Like, I think gas jumped almost 60 cents in a week, which is crazy. So stay tuned. It's gonna be crazy going around looking at all this stuff. Probably maybe I'll try to interview some people about their thoughts on Hurricane what's her name? Hurricane Irma, something like that. I'll add in the video. Anyways, catch y'all. I'm about to go shower and then change, and then you should be here and we'll get on the road. So I'll see you in a little bit.
Girl, you got that Lucci body.
Alright, so my boy Phil is finally here. Hold on, I'm gonna let you guys see him. Look at him. Hold on, I'm coming down. Hold on. So about time, I swear, like, black people in their time be so off. Told this man like 2 hours ago. He's just now getting here. But hold on, look, I'll show you. What up, boy?
That's not hot outside.
I know.
What's up?
About time you got here, though. Say what's up to the vlog.
What up, vlog?
So, today's plan, bro. Today's plan. You sit down. So today's plan is basically, I want to try to show people who, oh snap, my bad. I want to try to show people who aren't in Florida, like, what it's like to prepare for a hurricane, basically. So, y'all gonna see what it's like. It's crazy. It's literally crazy.
Yeah, there's
so,
no water out here.
No water. So, you got water?
I got water. My parents don't got water, but I got water. I'm selling for $1 to them.
$1, bro. So, about to get on the road. I'll catch y'all. We out here at Walmart. Yo, I literally hate Walmart because every time I come, there's never anybody to give me like any help in line. Like, they got 2 registers, 50 people working.
Bad service, bro.
Bad like attitude, service. And it's just like, it's just annoying. Like, it's just a bad, like, if I was a business owner, this is not how I would run it.
A lot better.
Anyways, yeah, Publix is better. Target is better. A whole bunch of different places. But we're at Walmart because that's where everybody goes for water, right? That's like where everyone goes mostly is Walmart. So, it's hot. It's hot, right, bro?
Fucking hot, yeah.
It's like, it's gotta be like 93, 94. You gotta go, that's the exit. That's the exit, bro. That's like my biggest, like, I don't know. That's like the biggest thing. Empty, empty, empty.
The
More
bread shelves are
emptiness.
empty.
More emptiness.
What's stacking up?
See what this is? This is bread. Basic necessity. Gone. Empty. Empty some more. Just empty, like. It's empty. Even in a time of crisis, you gotta get your food, you feel me? Ain't nothing like free, bro.
Are you recording the bread aisle with no bread?
Yes,
Spicy
yes, I
or
am.
not spicy?
Oh, non-spicy.
Right here.
Like, what is this?
It's
Cheetos,
Cheetos,
mac and cheese.
Interesting.
It's not bad.
It's an interesting concept.
Okay, honey. It's alright. Damn, bro. No
So,
bread. You're gonna have to dessert.
Cheetos mac and cheese. First of all, I barely like Cheetos. But she was kind of nice, so I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it. Oh, no, baby. Oh, no. Oh, no, baby.
Is expected to make landfall in Florida as at least a Category 4 hurricane, marking the first time ever that 2 Category 4 or higher storms will hit the United States in the same season.
Guys, this is so crazy. Like, there's no water. Look, we're currently out of water. Next shipment is still freaking unknown. Like, it's so crazy out here. And then even the lines, I'm sure there's only gonna be like 4 lanes open. Watch. So 8 is open, 10 is open, 12 is open, and 14 is open. That's it. That's all they got. So I was right, basically. Yeah, we parked down that way. Yeah, somewhere like there.
All bad. If I ain't a hot boy, then what do you call sex? Daddy fat and the jaw never fall back. Like clocks in the wintertime, we stay eating like it's dinner time.
What's up, guys? So we're at racetrack. What's up, guys? So we're at racetrack currently, and it's crazy because they only had diesel gas, not unleaded. I'm actually gonna walk down and let you guys see like the mayhem. Look, I'll show you. How's it going, man? It's crazy. So they don't have, and the truck actually just pulled up to refill, but people are just waiting. See, he's putting gas in a freaking gas container. Yeah, more out of gas sign. He has like containers in his freaking car. It's crazy. Crazy. We're out of service. Yeah, that's crazy. What's up, guys? So now we're at Winn-Dixie. A little low-key, more low-key than Walmart. Most people who shop here, it's right by my house, so most people who shop here are like the neighborhood, but still want to see the water condition and see even like just supplies, what's in here. So
Ain't no bread.
check it out. Boy, she just snagged, bro. You just gonna snag it, bro? Dang. No water, none at all. Let's go down to the juice aisle and see what they got here. A little bit of basically nothing, No water, definitely no water though. I know people have been buying like these to supplement water, which is crazy. Even these, that is disgusting.
Actually,
You bought that?
Yeah, a whole pack of this for like $30.
That is disgusting. I hate those.
I know, but there was no water.
So I actually need to get some things. I gotta get some cereal, and I actually don't even know. Maybe just some cereal. Where is it at? Oh, right there.
It's my favorite cereal.
Favorite cereal ever. Bang. Next on the list is some juice. I need a V8. So I know a lot of people are like V8, but no, this is really good. I'm gonna show you guys what it is. So this one's disgusting. All these are disgusting. All these are just like fruit juice. Like, no, that's not what I drink. It's down here. Is the V8 Splash. So like this one is very good. And then also the mango peach. So up there. I think today, I normally get like one of these two. Today, we'll try the tropical blend. So the last thing on my list that I need is a healthy snack. So, no, bro. I need baby carrots. That's crazy. So, like these. Baby cut carrots. What does that say? Excellent. Oh, yeah, fresh quality.
Snack bags.
Bro. Does it look like I'm in second grade? No, no.
Alright.
But that's crazy though. Let me see. Bruh. Boy. Where's Bugs Bunny when you need him? You feel me? Oh, look, here we go.
Bruh.
Yo, these things, I'm gonna show y'all. These things, this dude, it's the freakiest thing ever. When I was little, freakiest thing ever. I hated these things. Like,
Please scan it now.
it's right there.
You got it?
No, it's not.
If you want
finished scanning. Please touch finish and pay. 4.
Bro. It's alright. We don't all have to give. We don't all have to give. Yeah.
Please continue scanning. $169.
Oh, you gotta put it. You gotta put it down. So now we're going to get some food. Super hungry. So I think we're about to go to Chili's. They always have like really good food. So I'll show y'all. We about to kill it. Thank you. So this Chili's is actually right across the street from Winn-Dixie, and it's like my favorite spot just because of just like look how.
Oh, this is what I had last time. This is really good. I might get that again. Actually.
So it's pretty nice Chili's compared to some of them that are just like So I like the spot very much. And I forgot what it's called. Let me try to find it for you guys. I forgot what it's called. Oh, right here. So, ham batter crispers. It's that one. So, I'll see y'all when we get our drink. Pretty close. So, this is called, what is this called?
Pretty good?
Yeah, it's pretty good actually.
Yeah? What'd you get?
It's called the Cuervo. I just showed you guys. I think it was like Cuervo something. Jose Cuervo, something like that. It was pretty good. It's pretty good though. Yo, I'm so hungry. Like, I think it's been maybe 15, 20 minutes still waiting. That was my turn. Catch y'all later. So full. So freaking full. Alright guys, I'll see you when I get home. Later. What is up guys? Finally home. About to get ready for bed. So tired. I had a long day like you guys saw. We saw a lot though. Like there's no water anywhere, and even for gas, like people are trying to get out of the state and they can't even get gas to leave. So I mean, as of right now, they're only evacuating South Florida, so we'll see if it comes up to Orlando. But it's pretty scary, and like you guys saw, like there's no water anywhere. So we have some at the house, but you never know if you might need any more. So I have a couple friends I'm gonna hit up in a little bit and see. So please pray for us and pray for all the people in Florida, and even in Georgia and moving up the coast to like the Carolinas. We don't know what's gonna happen or how this hurricane is gonna turn out. So definitely just keep everybody in your prayers. I know I will. And like always, this is your boy Prince Mason, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.